Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. If you'd seen the other opening, you would have laughed your butt off. Okay, we're going to try yesterday's again. I was able to move it over onto a cat, finger bobber cat litter thing. So I've got the whole thing covered now in black. I watered down the black some. Let me get Maxine or maybe even we'll get Mildred out of the drawer. Hang-yo. That's the chair moving. Alrighty. Yay. Okay. Mildred, how are you today? She says, I am just having a ball. Yes. Do you know something will drive you crazy? It'll send you right to the loony bin. Is a computer. Yes. Uh-huh. Yep. Oh. Alrighty. We got her right here. Alright, we're going to do the open cup again. Uh-huh. Yeah, we got to take some of this from there, but you know what? That's fine. I'm in a crazy mode today because everything's crazy with work. That's the chair. I can't get signed in. I'm trying Chat GTP, and he goes in so many circles, so many. And I'm like, all right, we got to stop. We've got to stop. So, all right, we're going to lay out a little bit of the black in here. All right, make a puddle. We're going to make a puddle. Yes, we are. Hopefully it's thinned out some. You know what I should have done, though, first? Oh, do tell. Yeah, I should have put the puddle, then this down. This is a crazy side of Jackie today. I am sorry. Oh, my God. Alrighty. I took 2 extra days off work so I could get the house clean for fiance. And I've had nothing but computer troubles. Alrighty. This is about painting, not about your problems. That's correct. That is correct. All right. All right, we're going to begin with that gorgeous neon blue from Apple Barrel that showed up so pretty yesterday. It showed up gorgeous in the outer regions. There we go. Okay, we're going to hope it does that again. Okay. Oh, my word. Do we want to put a black in here? I am just covered in black. I am. I don't care. At this moment, I don't care. We're going to go now for the pink. The Folkart Pink Rose. Oh, wait. I don't think we used that. I think we used this one. The... What's it called? The blue is seeping out there. Alrighty. Artist Loft. Neon pink. Alright. We're just going to put a little snoosh. Just a snoosh of black in here. Oh my God. Guys, I swear I'm going crazy. I am. Alright, just a little snoosh. Alright, keep the lid off. Okay. Going back to the pink. Oh yeah, this is the one that you had to... Oh. We're in the mood today, aren't we, guys? We're in the mood. Oh, there we go. I thought I was going to have to whack it on the desk. I thought, oh, Lord. That won't be funny. You know, that seems kind of thick as well. And it is moving that cup. Boy. Just a little snudge. Just a little one. All right. Now we're going to go for the Amsterdam Reflux Yellow. Is this? Yeah, I think this is one I had to open up as well. Regardless, it's getting opened up. They all seem to need some water in them. A little snudge. White voices. Nope, we got to do this. Got to do the orange next. Neon orange. Oh, this is gonna... Yeah, it's kind of thick. Whew. It seems to all be moving towards me here. I didn't check the leveling. Gee. Go figure. Alright. A little snudgy. Yes, that's my technical term. Snudgy. Those are looking very nice out there, aren't they? Now we're going for the Folkart Blacklight Neon Purple. Okay. And you're going to have to bear with me while I get gloves on when the time comes. Alright. Snudgy. We're just going to put a wee bit of the sky blue topaz because that took over so big. So much. Alright. That's all we're going to do of you. Alright. Pull out some gloveses. Okay. We're a mess. We are a mess. Okay. Did anybody watch Sleuth Intuition today? That was mind-blowing. If you're following the Nancy Guthrie case, look for Sleuth Intuition today, earlier. Today's the what? The 12th, I think. Yes. At the 36 mark, 36 minute. There we go. That's when things get crazy. Alrighty. Okay. Those are looking gorgeous. I think I didn't want to put that dang sky blue topaz on there now. Alright. Let's see what we can do here. Kind of movie things there. Alrighty. Wow. Should we just tilt it first? Kind of. Let's tilt it around. Wow. That's kind of neat looking. Kind of gnarly. Okay, let's drop Le Marble in. What do we name this one? I don't know. We're getting colors, guys. We're getting colors. Yay. Maybe I should have gone with another round of that neon blue, because that is so gorgeous in there, isn't it? Dang it. Oh, I hope this is still taping. I'm using my usual phone, the one that runs out of memory. Hopefully halfway through it doesn't go. I got Beyonce's picture on there, so I can't throw it. It is lucky about that. Yes, it's very lucky. Okay, this is looking kind of cool. I'm going to do something pretty stupid, probably. I'm going to put a Dabaloo. Let's put it here and there. Goodness. This is my experiment, guys. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Let's find out. Shoot. Ooh, it kind of does work, guys. It does, it does. Okay. Yep. Whoopsie do, that took a turn. That's where it scares me, when it starts parting the paint. Alright. Let's drop you off there. And let's stretch this out. We're going to use some more black. So I don't want to stretch too much yet. It needs to be fluid enough to move. Oh. Hopefully I did that correctly. I don't know. Today's crazy day. That's what I'm going to name it too. Crazy day. I should have brought down the Blacklight, the UV light. Dang it, and I didn't. No, I didn't. I just wanted to get away from that damn computer. That's what I wanted to do. Just wanted to get away. Yep, wanted to walk away. Turned everything off except for the computer, because even that's giving me trouble. This might come out okay. There we go. Oh, I can hear it raining. It is raining against the window cover behind me. Come on. Okay. Now, how did that... Is that white in there? Is that white back there, guys? How the hello did that happen? Huh. Okay. That's kind of crazy. I'm dripping all over the place. All right. One moment. I'm going to put you on pause. Hang yo. I hope I just put you on pause. And now we resume. Yay. All right. I washed off the gloves. What is this over here? Does anybody know? Let's pluck it and see what the heck it is. Is it a goober? Oh, it most certainly is a goober. You see the goober? Oh, not trying to. There we go. Alrighty. Okay. Let's take the torch to this. Not to the house, just to this. Not to the computer, just to this. You don't see much of that sky blue topaz. It looks gray in there. So I'm hoping when this dries, give it a few days. Because my... What's the dang thing called? The light in the stairway. There we go. You know when it's summer, when that doesn't turn on. So, in the wintertime, it comes on like a charm. Alrighty. Do you guys want to come down for a close-up? This might be a lot more interesting than yesterday's. All right. Get those seatbelts and helmets on, please. Forgot to tell you that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My goodness. Yes. I think the rain has stopped. Maybe not. I can't help it's the rain of the air conditioner. That thing makes such... It sounds like it's raining when you're in the family room. They don't want to hear that, Jackie. Okay, all right. Here we go. All right. Just finding a place where I can lean. Here we go. That's looking kind of cool, isn't it? We didn't have green, but we put... Do we put... Blah, 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 blah. I'll have to go back through and see if we put the blue and the yellow together, because that would make the green. Oh, wow. It looks better close up. It does. Yeah, that should be sparkly when it dries. Where I put where the sky blue topaz is, that should be pretty. No, we have trouble again getting this side. Yep, okay. And everything else should be matte when it dries, except for where that sky blue topaz is. I am liking that Folkart. That stuff right there, I'm loving that. Ooh, what was this? That's going to look pretty darn cool when it dries, isn't it? Ah. Okay, guys, wow. Well, thank you for joining me on this what do you want to call it? Mayhem Monday? Some kind of a Monday. Yeah. Manic Monday. There we are. Manic Monday. Where the computers don't work right. And I can't get into the phone to try. Oh, just never mind, guys. Never mind. I hope you enjoyed this. And I hope you all have a most, here goes the chair, a most wonderful week ahead with no problems. Yes. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell for notifications so you'll know when Looney Tunes comes on next. You never know what's going to be. What personality's going to come out. Yes, computers give you personalities. It does. Not good ones either. All right. We'll see you guys next time on Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye-bye for now, guys. Bye-bye. Crazy old woman, I tell you. Crazy old woman.